Breaking news, in fact, coming in right now in light of the stampede incident, the Akhadas have called off their traditional Amrit Snan for Mauni Amavasya. Despite this decision, large number of devotees continue to take dips at the Sangam and at other ghats in the Mela areas. Kailashanand Giri, Maharaj Chief of the Niranjani Akhada, has emphasized the Akhada Parishads and all Acharyas decided to cancel the ritual out of concern for the challenges faced by the common people. Let's in fact listen into what he had to say.
मौनी अमावस्या की हार्दिक बधाई सभी को। आज का स्नान हमने लोक कल्याण के लिए किया है, सशक्त और समर्थ भारत के लिए। लेकिन किंचित दुखद बात यह है कि भारी भीड़ के कारण कुछ भावुक भक्तों को चोट आई है और कुछ घायल हुए हैं। उनके उपचार की व्यवस्था की जा रही है और हमने इस कारण सामूहिक ये निर्णय लिया कि हम सभी लोग शोभा यात्रा बनाकर अमृत स्नान की जो एक विधि होती है, ध्वनि यंत्रों के साथ मंगल जय घोष करते हुए हमारे लाखों नागा, साधु, सन्यासी, महंत, मंडलेश्वर जो जाते हैं, आज वो हमने यात्रा स्थगित की है। मौनी अमावस्या।
Arzu Seth continues to be with us. Arzu, the Akhada Parishads there in Prayagraj calling off the Mauni Amavasya Shahi Snan, detailing the reasons why. Kailashanand Giri has spoken with the media.
Well, yes, the Akhadas have postponed their holy dip at the Sangam nose ahead of the Mauni Amavasya, but the situation are under control right now. Also, we are showing the visuals. Also, the devotees have in fact coming after taking a holy dip, and they are also telling us the situation is.
We talk about the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad President Mahant Ravindra Puri announced that the Shirs have called off their Mauni Amavasya Amrit Snan due to this, unfortunate incident that has happened.
Unfortunate incident that has happened, but yes, this is a sad incident. This is what the Sadhvi Niranjan
decided to, cancel their Amrit Snan, keeping in the mind the public interest and the number of gathered devotees is more than the anticipated. I appeal to the people that the entire Mela Kshetra is a Kumbh, and hence they may take a bath at any ghat and not just the Trivedi Ghat. So continuously the appeal is being made, and what we are getting to know now that the Akhada Parishad, the Akhadas will begin their holy dip very soon. They have started reaching the Triveni Sangam, and there they will be taking a holy dip. Yes, might not be that massive along with the drum and holes that the Rath used to taken out, but yes, they will take a holy dip at the, on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya at the Triveni Sangam, at the Sangam nose, where it is said that it is very auspicious to take a holy bath there, and it is very fruitful, and all your sins get removed, and that purify your soul. So the Akhadas will begin their holy dip very soon at the Triveni Sangam. Yes, Uday.
All right, stay with us.